दोस्तों लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के बारे में और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस की। फ्यूचर यानी कि जो चीज़ होने वाली है और परफेक्ट जो फ्यूचर में होने वाली है, राइट। जैसे कि अगर जो हम बात करें कि मैं कल शाम 5 बजे वहाँ जा रहा होऊंगा, though that doesn't sound good in Hindi, however we have to make these structures because translation of any English sentence is not as easy as a pie. इतनी आसान नहीं होती है। फिर भी हम बात करते हैं फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस की और कैसे इसका स्ट्रक्चर बनता है। एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, सब्जेक्ट्स वही रहेंगे जो हम यूज़ करते आए हैं। प्लूरल होगा I, we, you and they. Then we have she, he, it, any name and any singular like it can be a boy or a girl. उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे इसके स्ट्रक्चर की, क्या क्या हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज़ होंगे, कौन सी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज़ होगी, दैट वे। सो सबसे पहले देखते हैं पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस का स्ट्रक्चर, कैसे हम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाते हैं फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में। शैल और विल का इस्तेमाल वैसे ही होगा जैसे हमने फ्यूचर सिंपल या फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस में किया था। पहले 5 सब्जेक्ट्स जो मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर बताए थे उनके साथ हम शैल यूज़ करेंगे क्योंकि रूल यही कहता है। हालांकि ट्रेंड की बात करें तो अब विल का ही यूज़ होने लगा है। शी, ही, इट, एनी नेम और एनी सिंगुलर के साथ हम विल का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। सो आइए देखते हैं कैसे स्ट्रक्चर बनता है फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस का या अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस का। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, चिल्ड्रन शैल हैव फिनिश्ड देयर लंच, आई शैल हैव फिनिश्ड माई लंच, वी शैल हैव फिनिश्ड आवर लंच, they shall have finished their lunch and you shall have finished your lunch. That way we will make the positive sentences for these 5 subjects with the using shall and have plus third form of the verb. Then we'll move on to the last 5 subjects on the right hand side. She will have finished her homework, he will have finished his lunch, it will have finished its lunch, the boy will have finished his lunch, or any name like Amit will have finished his lunch. That way we make the positive sentences of future perfect tense. Now will और shall के साथ हम कभी भी had या has का यूज नहीं करते हैं। So simple. Let's move on to the negatives of these sentences. How to make the negative sentences for each of these subjects. First of all, children shall have not finished their homework, I shall have not finished my homework, we shall have not finished our homework, they shall have not finished their homework, and you shall have not finished your homework. That way we make the negative sentences of the first 5 subjects which we took on the left hand side. Then let's move on to the right hand side subjects. She will have not finished her homework, he will have not finished his homework, it will have not finished its lunch, the boy will have not finished his lunch, and the girl will have not finished her lunch, as well as with the name Sumit will have not finished his lunch. That way we make the negatives of these sentences as per the future perfect tense. Before we proceed further, let me tell you one thing very clearly. There is no fixed rule in English language. In fact, the main rule of English language is that there is no such rule that is permanent. It changes as the trend changes. So it go by the trend rather than by the rules. All right. And there is one more thing. English is the most welcoming language of the world. That's the reason it's been so popular. And it's not that British people rule everywhere or English ruled everywhere in the world. Almost 70 to 80 nations it ruled. Their energy, their active performance in every activity that made this language so popular across the world. And one more thing, English is the only language that takes the words from any foreign or any different language as it is. That way. All right, now let's move on to the interrogative structures of the sentences for future perfect tense. Shall children have finished their homework? Shall I have finished my homework? Shall we have finished our homework? Shall they have finished their homework? Shall you have finished your homework? On the other hand, we have will she have finished her homework? Will he have finished his homework? Will it have finished its lunch? Will the boy have finished his homework? Will Sumit have finished his homework? That way. Now, when it comes to the negative interrogatives, again, we can either club them or we can keep them separately, and it's recommendable that while you're writing those sentences, you will have to speak them according to the separated rule. Shall children not have finished their homework? Shall we not have finished our homework? Shall I not have finished my homework? Shall you not have finished your homework? And shall they not have finished their homework? That way. Will she not have finished her homework? Will he not have finished his homework? Will it not have finished its lunch? Will the boy not have finished his lunch? And will Sumit not have finished his homework? That way we will make the negative interrogatives of these sentences. Now what you have to do right now, just write few verbs, minimum 5 to 10 verbs, make positive sentences with all the subjects with one verb, then the negatives, then the interrogatives, and then negative interrogatives. That way you can make minimum 40 sentences out of one verb. Make sure in any of the perfect tense you have to use only and only the third form of the verb. And in future perfect, you will have to use shall plus have or will plus have. That way. Alright, so let's move on. Let's keep on writing them, let's keep on reading them, speaking them aloud so that your speech anatomy, your mind gets trained as per the English language. That's how you learn English language. Otherwise, there is no such rule. वो सही कहा था मैंने किसी वीडियो में, लिखने से लिखना आता है, पढ़ने से पढ़ना आता है, बोलने से बोलना आता है और सुनने से ही तो सुनना आता है. और शुरुआत सुनने से होती है, फिर बोलने से, फिर लिखने से और फिर पढ़ने से. ये 4 एस्पेक्ट्स हैं लैंग्वेज के जो ऑर्डर वाइज अगर जो हम देखें हमारे बचपन से लेके बड़े होने तक, लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग एंड देन राइटिंग. दैट्स हाउ यू गो अबाउट देम. कीप वॉचिंग फॉर मोर ऑफ दीज टेंसेस. टिल देन, बाय बाय.